What tax deductions are available to business owners, and how can I structure my business to maximize these tax benefits?
Well, I'm not a CPA. I'm not a tax attorney. I don't give any financial advice. Any of these videos are just kind of my point of view and educational purposes. And so what I've done over the years is I read and I go to workshops and I learn from people. And then I get an idea. Maybe I get an idea from somebody and then I maybe try to fact check it as best as I can. But at the end of the day, what I realize is we have to open our eyes because there's a lot of people that make a lot of money and don't understand that you can defer taxes or you can offset taxes. And so I think if you go to a website like section179.org, section179.org, and start reading about section 179, read about bonus depreciation, then I think it will open your eyes to what you can do. There's actually a calculator on section179.org. And if you're buying a truck or vending machines or some machines for your business, potentially you can, if you have a pass-through entity, that could pass through to your personal tax returns. And maybe you have some other income on that side, and maybe you can get some refund back on your W-2. So that's what a lot of people do that understand this. So I would research Section 179. I'd research bonus depreciation. I'd get a CPA that specializes in working with small business owners. That's why we're writing a book called, it's a working draft, but that's why we're writing a book, because we believe that everyone should own a small business, even if you have a corporate job. I think the writing's on the wall, and depending on the new proposal, Kamala, did I say Kamala Harris? I always say her name wrong, but she has a proposal for a $50,000 tax deduction. Right now it's $5,000. So something like that, I was reading somewhere that could spur another 25 million businesses in the U.S. That's actually a great proposal. I think that's a really great proposal. I think that's the best one I've heard, because they're talking about giving people money for down payments. That's just going to jack up that price of the houses. But the deduction, because everybody that's making 80, 200 grand a year, they're like, okay, well, now's the time I should start a business, because they can potentially offset the W-2 income right now. So I think you'll see a huge, if that gets approved, you'll see a big influx. So I would say learn about all this stuff. There's a lot of really smart CPAs out there. And I would just go on a YouTube University, start listening. Now, don't believe everything you hear on YouTube University, but they go fact check it with a good CPA. Hey, can I do that? That's what I do. We did a cost segregation. So we accelerated the depreciation of a real estate property business. And so I have $175,000. And then I wasn't sure if I could offset capital gains that way, but it looks like the way you structure it, you can. So basically, I didn't have to do a 1031 exchange because I'm going to have enough of the depreciation loss. So those are the things that you need to learn as you go. And I'm not an expert, but I keep on researching and I ask questions to the experts, and that's how you save a lot of money on taxes. So that's what I would suggest. And that franchises, somebody in the corporate world, that's well, I keep my corporate job, but I need some additional cash flow. I need a backup plan, and I need a tax write-off. Well, owning a franchise, because it's got systems and processing and branding and marketing, that's why a lot of people are moving into the franchise space versus starting a business from scratch. So hopefully that was a long-winded response, but anyways, I got fired up. Go to bookwithbo.com if I can help you in any way. Hi guys, Bo Exian here, and I'm with Baby Bo. Baby Bo is just a little over 4 months. He's my first child, my wife and I. So if you want to create legacy for your family, I highly suggest you go to our Business Ownership Summit. You can find all the events we're doing. Primarily, they're all free. You can go to boexian.com/events. And I hope to see you at one of our events. We teach business ownership, how to leverage SBA financing, tax strategies. I'm not a CPA or attorney, but we bring CPAs on. You're going to learn why everyone should own a small business. So I hope you attend. Go to boexian.com/events. I'll see you at the next one. Hey guys, Bo Exian here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years. and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.